funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shakti, and if you are into sewing or pattern making videos, please give a sub to my channel. We do that a lot here. Let's get into the video. First of all, I just wanted to preface this video by saying that this is a vlog that I made while sewing the prize for the giveaway I conducted on my page in August, and it was super successful, if I can say so that myself. The giveaway was a way of me appreciating my followers slash subscribers, as it has already been a year since I started my page, and the giveaway has also helped me reach a new set of audiences, which I'm very excited about. Now that's done, let's get into the video. So here I've just used the pattern from my baguette bag tutorial. I will link it here. That is a proper tutorial if you want to check it out and try making one yourself. First I'm just cutting 3 sets of patterns because, well, I want to make 3 bags. Also I'm going to make the handle like the scrunchy bag that's trending on Pinterest now, and it looks way more appealing. For this, all you need to do is cut the handle fabric twice as much as the desired length of the handle. Now that I have all my shell fabrics cut, I'm going to cut the lining fabric in this cute purple viscose fabric. Same as the main fabric, I will be cutting out the body pieces, the side panel and the handle. The cutting doesn't stop here either. The fusing needs to be cut and ironed onto the body panel. For the fusing, I specifically used the thicker canvas for the base, whereas for the body I used the usual micro dot fusing, just because I wanted the base to kind of stick out, whereas the body is slightly fluid. It made sense in my head. Let's see how the final product turns out. After notorious 5 hours of cutting, ironing and fusing, I finally had all my panels ready to be stitched. The next day I woke up pretty early just so I can have the natural light while sewing, and I was not disappointed. After admiring the beauty of my window grill for a while, I started sewing. I'm just first attaching the body panels to the base panels on all the lining pieces for the back first. Then I did the same with the main fabric. The next step is prepping the handles, which was by far the most satisfying part in this video. After sewing the ends of the handle, I basically inserted the lining panel, which is shorter than the main fabric, into the main fabric handle, and when you have inserted it through and through, you will automatically get the scrunchy effect. Next, I moved to the step that I was dreading the most, which was to attach the zipper. And to top it all off, I had run out of zipper, but I didn't notice it, so I had to stop sewing for that day and continue the next day. The next day, I was very eager to finish this project because I had been stitching for 4 days at this point. So I got to stitching and I attached the zipper, the handles, and the lining to the bag. The only thing left was to pick the winners and pack the bags. No pun intended. Cue the packing montage. I really enjoyed making these bags and the winners really appreciated it too. Go check out my Instagram. I make some pattern making videos and some tips for sewing and pattern making. I would really appreciate that. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one.